welcome to my channel, and today I thought I would do the Sephora sale and what I got into it. Some of it I had to replenish. I have not received them yet, but I have the ones that I've been using. Others I've never tried, and I thought I'll just let you know what's out there to buy. Anyway, I just want to preface this in saying that I'm not pressuring you to go buy anything. I'm not asking you to go buy anything. This is just something that I did myself because I wanted to try some stuff, and I thought, what better time to do it? Again, if you don't have the money to go spend it out, just use this as entertainment and do not go and spend money you do not have. Let's get started. So let's start with the hair products that I wanted to try out. I've heard a lot of things about the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner, so I took the plunge and I bought them. They're really tiny and they're really expensive. They're like $28, I believe. So I felt like this was a good time to try it out. If I like them, then I'll go and purchase them again. But at least this first time, I would have a little bit of discount to try them out. And as I said, I got the number 4 and number 5. The number 4 is the shampoo. The number 5 is the conditioner. And that's what they look like. The second thing that I bought, again, that I wanted to try, I heard Zoella or Zoe talk about these, and I wanted to try them out. I've never tried them out. These are the Hyaluronic Cloud Hydra Gel Eye Patch from Peter Thomas Roth, and they look like this. And it looks like a pretty decent size. It is 30 pads. 30 pairs. There's 60 of them, 30 pairs. So I was reading it and I was like, wait, what? But yeah, just remember I've been home for like a while now, so my brain is kind of fried. And this is what the container looks like. It comes with a little spoolie that you can use to pick up the gel. And yeah, they're kind of iridescent. Oh, and they have no smell, which is always a good thing for me because I have allergies, and anything with a strong smell tend to irritate my nose and irritate me. So this would be really good. No smell. Anyway, can't wait to try this out. Then I ordered, this is an old one, but I have one coming in the mail. It is the Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen 50 SPF, and this is the only sunscreen that I have tried underneath that my makeup that does not melt my makeup, does not break up my foundation and make me look too oily or make my foundation oxidize to a different color. I love this. It goes on smoothly, and yeah, it's transparent. I don't think you can see that, but yeah, it is a really good texture. Really makes your foundation go on smooth. So I love this. Could not recommend it enough. It is a 1.7 ounce broad spectrum sunscreen. As I said, is in the 40, and it's water and sweat resistant, and I can attest to that. I've been using it for roughly, I want to say 4 months, and I use it every day over my face, under my on my neck. For my body, I have a different type of SPF that I use, and I will link that down below. The next two things that are pricey, so if you want to try them, this would be the time to try them because you would have that discount, is the Lamia Oil. This is, I have backup coming up. That's why I buy them. I usually buy them on sale. I tend not to buy them full price like regularly. Not that I wouldn't, because I love them that much. But I try to find them on sale where I can, either Nordstrom or Sephora. And this time it was Sephora. So yeah, as I said, the night oil. This thing, when you put it on, I usually use it at night. I don't usually during the day. I use it at night. The next day, your face feels so nourished and plump and just I just love the way it makes my face feel. It has a mild scent, but it's not annoying. It's not really, it smells like the ocean, you know? So for me, I can live with that. It doesn't irritate me that as much, or at all, I should say. So I really love this. With that, also I use this moisturizer at night. I used to use it in the day during the winter because my face tends to be more dry in the winter. Now that we're going to the summer, springtime, it's really hot here in Florida, so I tend not to use it in the day, just because it's just too heavy. It's a really thick cream. The thing that I've seen that's more comparable to it, and the way it, the texture of it is Nivea. So if you've ever used Nivea, that's the kind of consistency, really heavy, thick, and combination together, love these. Cannot say enough about them. Cannot rave about them enough. They leave my skin feeling moisturized, plump, rejuvenated, all of that. And again, as I said, they're really expensive, so if you want to try them, you've never tried them, this would be the time to do it. The next thing that I bought, and I also have another backup coming up, and it's super expensive, is the Sunday Riley CO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. There it is. It does what it says. It brightens up your face. I have makeup now, so you can't see it. Before I had LASIK eye surgery, I wore my glasses most days. I used to wear contact, but I felt better with my glasses on than contact. I hated fiddling with my contact. So over time, my glasses left like a dark mark, just because the sun would hit it, and it just left a really dark mark around my nose and a little bit on the corners of my eyes. Really bad pigmentation. And this, since having my LASIK, I've been using this, and it's not all gone yet, but it is faded significantly. And I have to say, this is what has helped me with that. This and a combination of my Elizabeth Arden capsule. So those things together, really, really, really worth the hype. Then I saw this, the Fenty Vivid Liquid Eyeliner Trio, green, pink, and blue. And this is, as I said, with the sale, this is a time, like, if you want to experiment with your makeup, experiment with eyeshadows, liquid liner, this is a time to do it, because you're going to get a little discount with it. And if you're not used to using this and you don't want to do a big investment paying full price, this is time to do it. So yeah, thought that I would use, I'll try these. They have really cute name: Jalapeno, Techno Beat, and Hot Tub Club. And I will do a look with this, or I'll try them out, and I will let you know in another video. Then these sets. So this was $39, and it comes with 7 products, and it's the Sephora favorite. Again, if you don't want to go full price on these things and you just want to try them out, these sets are great value. This one comes with the Glow Recipe Sephora mask. I love these. I use them. I have a ton in my bathroom, so this was a no-brainer. The MAC Jacob Youth Quat, the Milk Makeup face mask, brightening face mask, the Ola Hendrick Banana Bright Eye. I have the full size, and this again, love it under my eyes. Too Faced Primed and Peachy, and the Sephora lip balm. So yeah, did I say the Glow Recipe? That's a mask also. So really good, just to try, you know. And if you love them, then you can go and invest in the big size. If not, then, you know, you just have mini size and you can use them and try them. I have a few of these sets that I bought. This one is again the Sun Safety Kit, and it has a few things that I wanted to try. The Elephant Time Broad Spectrum sunscreen. As I said, this is one of my favorite, but I wanted to try that one because I've heard a lot of good things about it. The Somerville Serum, I also heard a lot about, and I wanted to try it out. The Dermatologica sunscreen, I also want to try. The Dark Spot from Dr. Dennis Gross. Where's the other one that I wanted to try? There it is, the Shiseido 50 also. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 little mini sunscreens that you can try. And again, I love the bag. How cute is this bag? And you get an extra bag with it. It's pretty huge. And it was $39. Again, with a discount. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. I'm just telling you. You can't go wrong. And then I bought this one for my sister. It's Summer on the Fly. Again, it's more sunscreen. This one I've tried and she really wanted to try it. The Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. And the Kiehl Ultra Facial Cream she wanted to try. And I wanted to also give her a chance to try the Super Goop. And this one was $25 again with discount, and it comes with a little package. So it has the Fresh Sugar Caramel Hydrated Lip Balm, Glow Recipe, which with Retinol Eye, Sleeping Mask, the Hum Nutrition Daily Cleanse, Isle of Paradise Color Correcting Self Tanning Drop for face and body in medium, Kiehl Since 1851 Ultra Facial Cream, Core's Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser, Soleil de Janeiro, the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and the Super Goop Play Everyday Lotion SPF in 50 with sunflower extract. Comes like this, and then again you get a little pouch. So yeah, that is everything that I got from the Sephora Rouge sale. Again, this is my first order. I think I did 3 separate orders because I was kind of waiting to see what I needed and what I needed to replenish. The first one that I did at 3 a.m. and that was just an impulse purchase. And the 2 others were really consistent purchases. That's when I replenished this, and this. And again, these are things that I use every day. So having a backup is always a good thing for me because I use them. I know they work for me. Even if I try other things, I will go back to the basic if I get a breakout or if I need to recalibrate my facial routine. Anyway, I think I'm talking a little too much. Yeah, so if you love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe so that you don't miss any of my other content. I do 2 videos a week, one on Tuesday, one on Thursday. And if you want for me to try these on or let you know a review on them, especially these, as I said, I've never used them, I would be more than happy to do that. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.